Hey YouTubers here, this is William, just now starting a channel. Gonna do a BNC 13 today here for you to show you uh, how to put an end on it if you need to know. Gonna try to show you exactly everything to do here. This is Clark wire here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get this here for you. Clark wire. Here we go. Clark wire. Yes. See there, Clark wire. It's a coax cable. Yeah, I'll tell you all about it. It's 1-800-CABLE IT is their number if you want to call them and you need some cable. This is a HD SDI cable. It is a CD7523 high definition cable, and it is a 6GHz. And like I said again, if you want to call them to order cable, you can call them at 1-800-CABLE IT. This is going to be a BNC 13, and it is a King's fitting that goes. The BNC is a King's fitting. And I'm going to show you the crimp tool we'll be using here today. And this is it. It is a Clark crimp tool. Also, it has numbers here, if you can see them. And the numbers I'm going to be using today is a .042 and a .178. Let me get started. And I will be using let me find it. Just an ordinary razor knife here today. See this? Very easy to do. I'm going to show you. You just take and you grab your cable like this, and you will be cutting it. Not going to be narrating a whole lot. I'll just show you what I do. You cut it back to where you can see just the copper end sticking out. And you're gonna cut it a couple more times. I say just cut it about 3/16 of an inch, and then you cut it about another ½ an inch. Don't dig all the way in. You just want to be able to see the copper on that first part. If you dig too far in, you will be cutting it too far. Today we're going to open our pack, and we do have the King's pack here today. And it is a 13, like I said, and you'll be using this little sleeve here. You just slide it over the cable. Just slide it on the cable like so. Yes, here we go. And you take the other little metal end, and you just slide it on like this. There's 3 pieces to this. Very, very simple. Then you take your, well, let's go ahead and cut it back some more. Not to confuse you any, but you pull it back, you got your end on. It's going to look something like this. Yeah. Then you just kind of feather this back here. Feather it on back. Get your little metal out of the way here. Your little shield. And then I like to cut it a little bit to shorten the shield up a little bit, just around the edges. Just very little, so just kind of cutting its hair, really. Cut the little sprigs off here. Yeah, there we go. Then, like I said, I got the King's crimp tool here. Not the King's, but the Clark tool here. And you're gonna take, and I'm gonna use, like I said, I'm gonna be using the .42 to crimp down the little end on here, like so. You just stick it in here like this, and then you just squish there, and now it's in. You want to give it a little tug, make sure it don't come off. Then you have this little metal another little metal shield. You need to cut it back a hair, as you can see. I'll show you. cut it back just a little bit. I don't think anybody's done a BNC video though. Not like this, but yeah, just cut it back where you can see white. Then you got another fitting. It looks just like this. It is a 13. And don't forget your sleeve. I've already told you once. If you forget your sleeve, you're going to be in trouble. Unless you have your other end of your cable still open, and then you can just slide it right on like I can. But anyway, you take and I'm going to show you the sleeve again. See the sleeve? Good deal. You just take, slide this right over. I'm a little shaky today. I had too many Red Bulls. I'm not doing a Red Bull commercial here today, but just going to show you. You slide that over and you try to pull on it a little bit. Make sure you can't pull it off. And then you take this part right here and you just slide it. Sorry, I'm covering up the video. You just slide it right over there and push down your little, I don't know what they are, just a little metal shield, I guess we'll call it today. And you take and you put the crimp tool on just like this. You got 3 different slots, well 5 actually. You got the 2 for the pin, which we already did that, and that crimp was at 0.42 for a 13 BNC. And we also have the two bigger holes and then a smaller hole, which the smaller hole is a 178. I'm going to crimp it today at 178. It's a BNC 13, and I'm going to do it twice. Just to kind of make sure the whole BNC has been crimped down. I'm going to show you here. And that's how you do a BNC. And again, this is Clark wire, and it is a BNC 13. And if you want to call Clark wire to get some wire to be able to make these yourself, all you got to do is just call 1-800-CABLE-IT. Thanks.